In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a booklet in Adobe Acrobat. This is a great skill to have if you're looking to create professionally printed materials right from your own computer. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat and navigate to your homepage. This is your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Here, you have two options to start with. Either click on Create or select a file from your recent work. For ease today, let's go to our recent documents because we have a booklet file that we're going to use for this lesson. Once you're in your list of recently accessed files, go ahead and find the booklet file that you've been working on or wish to print. It's likely something you've been preparing, filled with all the content that you need to publish in booklet format. By clicking on it, you will open the file in Adobe Acrobat, ready for the next step. Now that your booklet file is open, take a look at your top menu. Adobe Acrobat's sleek interface makes it easy to navigate, and from this top menu, you'll want to locate the Print option. Once you find Print, click on it. This will bring up the Print dialog box, which is the hub for setting all your printing preferences. In the Print dialog, you'll see an option called Page Sizing and Handling. This section is crucial because it controls how your document will be printed. Under this category, there's an option for printing as a booklet. Select the Booklet option. This setting is designed to automatically adjust the pages for proper booklet printing, ensuring that pages are ordered correctly and the output looks professional and polished. After selecting Booklet under Page Sizing and Handling, take a moment to review the other details in the print settings. This is your chance to adjust anything specific such as color preferences, paper size, or double-sided printing if it suits your needs. However, if everything looks good to go with the default settings, you can proceed with the print job. When you're satisfied and ready, simply hit the Print button. The printer will then take over and start creating your booklet. Be sure to have the printer stocked with paper, and optionally, pause to check the printer settings such as duplex printing if needed, as these settings might need to be verified directly from your printer setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and begun printing a booklet using Adobe Acrobat. Printing booklets in this way is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it's an excellent option for producing your own workbooks, brochures, or personal projects. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!